Let me show you all display settings available on POCO F7 Pro. So we're going to go to display and brightness, and at first we have the choice between the light mode and the dark mode. So if you prefer to use dark theme, then we can switch it over here. If you prefer to have it dynamic, then we can go to dark mode options in order to switch to dark mode automatically based on the sunset to sunrise time, or you can also set it to custom and you can choose when it should be enabled and disabled. In addition to that, we also have the option for individual apps, so you can choose which apps should be able to use the dark mode. Then we have the brightness level, where we can change the brightness of our screen. You can also use automatic brightness by using this toggle switcher. And if the automatic brightness is disabled, then you also have the option to use the sunlight mode, which expands the brightness range to be able to set it even higher. Then we have advanced textures option for the screen, so you can add rendering effects like blurring across the system to provide an enhanced visual experience. Then we have the color scheme, where we have the choice between different color options over here. We can choose Original Color Pro, Vivid, Saturated, and also we have advanced settings. If you tap on this arrow, then we have the color gamut option, as well as the RGB color space, HSV color space, saturation, and the value, and other options such as the contrast and gamma. Then we also have the adaptive colors option, which adjusts colors to ambient light, and the color temperature option here, which can be also set to custom. Next we have the reading mode, which is the blue light filter, which turns the screen orange-ish to protect your eyes, especially at night when you are reading something. We have the cycle option, classic, with additional options here, as well as the schedule, so you can create a schedule for yourself as well. The refresh rate option allows you to, of course, adjust the screen refresh rate. By default, we use the default option, which adjusts the refresh rate dynamically based on scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. However, you can also force 120 Hz by using custom, and then over here you can choose 120 Hz in the refresh rate option. And then we also have apps that are using high refresh rate, so you can actually disable 120 Hz for specific apps. There is also the display resolution, so we can increase the resolution of our phone to WQHD+. And if you do so, then we also have the battery saver option for this resolution as well. And then we have AI tools such as the super resolution, where we can enhance videos by upscaling. We have the AI HDR enhancement, and MEMC, which adds additional frames to videos to make content appear smooth and transitions lively. Then we also have font options, so we can go to the font store in order to get a new font. And we also have font settings, where we can change the font in general and also make the font bigger or smaller. And these are all display settings. In addition to that, of course, we have personalization, where we have some visual customization options as well, such as the lock style here, where we can create our own custom lock screen. We have icons option, where we can change the icon size, the fonts once again, notification effects, so the edge lighting, the fingerprint animation effect, and that's pretty much it. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.